When the FDA's advisory panel voted this week to recommend authorizing COVID boosters and vaccines for kids, she played a crucial role from start to finish.
Dr. Ovetta Fuller is a member of that panel, and tonight she's sharing to our Paula Tutman what it was like to be a part of it.
So Dr. Ovetta Fuller is the U of M virologist who also sits on the FDA's advisory panel for the COVID vaccine. And today she spent a lot of time with us really trying to clear up some of the fog about the boosters.
We are wonderfully made to say anything that's not me, I'm going to keep out of my body or try to shut it down. That's what the immune system does.
So think of the vaccine as soldiers introduced into your system to be on guard for the intruder, COVID-19. But if the soldiers have been on high alert for a while and don't see anything, they might start napping on the job. The booster shot reintroduces the threat of that invader to keep the immune system on alert.
Each of these vaccines ultimately gives you the same thing that your body sees to make a response.
The question is, if you got Pfizer, should you wait until you can get the Pfizer booster? Or is it really okay to mix and match? In other words, those vaccinated with Pfizer get the Moderna booster, or those with Moderna get the Pfizer booster, or those who got the one-shot Johnson & Johnson cross over to the mRNA.
Based on what we know, it doesn't matter.
Which begs the question, how often will we need to boost the boost? And the answer is, it all very likely depends on what we do right now to eradicate COVID in its tracks, much like polio, chickenpox, measles, and other diseases that we vaccine for.
Once you get a booster, when I say the protection is raised, the level of neutralizing antibody goes up to the previous level.
The Kaiser Family Foundation recently did a poll that indicated while 27% of parents want their children vaxxed right away, 33% say they want to wait for other kids to get the shot to see what happens.
Remember, I would have been in that 33% group with the original vaccines. With the rollout of the vaccines, I wasn't first in line.
But the science has shown that the vaccine is safe and effective for children getting the smaller dose between the ages of 5 and 11 and the adult dose between the ages of 12 and up.
But I'd probably go ahead and get them vaccinated now, because now is where the virus is circulating, and now is where we're about to gather for winter holidays and Halloween.
And of the 30% polled who have the hard no matter what,
well, we know, and from the data, that COVID-19 is the 8th leading cause of disease and death in children from 5 to 11 in the USA. COVID-19, especially now that the kids are back in school, is in the top 10, right there tied with suicide.
Paula Tutman, Local 4.